guys, so I'm starting off with a white foundation. This one is from a Makeup Forever palette. You can use whatever you have as long as it creates a neutral and even canvas. I cover my entire face with this except my lids because that's where I'm going to put on the black eyeliner. But I'm just going to work this into my skin wherever I get closer to my eyes. I'm going to use a smaller brush just to make sure that that area is completely covered. And just with any other makeup, I'm going to set this because it is a cream and I do want the makeup to last. Then I'm going to take my eyeliner. This is just an essence liner and a flat brush. This is a foundation brush, and I'm just going to start covering the entire space of my lids. And I'm going to kind of angle the brush so that it gives the brush strokes. The more messier it is, I think the better it looks. This is what I really liked about this look, that it didn't have to be perfect because it just isn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And whenever I feel like I got carried away, I took a Q-tip and a little bit of micellar water and I just fixed it. And then I just go back and stipple on a little bit more of the white foundation. The nose contour, I'm just going to take a black and a fluffy brush and I'm just going to bring that along the sides of my nose. You can use paint as well if you want, or the eyeliner, but I just thought this would be a little bit softer and I liked it better. Then I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm just going to fill in that little V, the little peak on the sides of my eyes. And then whatever is left, I'm just going to take my little brush and fill that in with a little bit more of the white eyeshadow just to clean up the spaces. And then I'm going to fill in my waterline with a white eyeliner. And I'm also going to take a little bit of mascara just to take out any powder that might have fallen on my lashes. And then I'm going to take the micellar water and a Q-tip again, and this is where you start creating little spaces on the eyes, and then we're going to fill those in with a little bit of white and then a little bit of glitter. Super easy. I love how simple this whole costume was. To fill in the white, I'm just taking a smaller little brush, and this is an eyeliner brush, and I'm just filling in little feathery strokes. And then I'm going to take a glitter. This one's from NYX, and I'm going to just put that on top of the white just to give it a little bit of a little something, just so that it shines. Like, it looks really pretty at night when lights are off and it's flashing. It'll reflect nicely, I think, anyway. I decided to contour as well, and I'm just using a contour shade from my Kat Von D palette, and I just go along the sides of my face. You can add a little bit of black here if you'd like as well, just something to give it dimension. Then I'm going to take that same black eyeliner that I was using on my eyes, and I'm going to use that for my lips. I also wanted to highlight since I contoured, so I'm just taking a shimmery highlight from NYX, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face, on top of my cheekbones, middle of my nose, and chest. So that's it. Then I just applied my tiara. I placed my tiara on my head, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye guys!